Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. Love when you guys leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. So let's get into yet another Grove collaborative unboxing. I am seriously addicted, you guys. Like, when these boxes come to my door, I get very happy. Very happy. So, pumping the camera a little bit, I apologize. Let's get it open. Two of the products in here I'm super excited for. And then the other two, as I try to open it awkwardly, the other two are repeat items. And it's only the second time getting them because they're actually new. What do we have here? We have a winter gift for you. Yes, you. Details on back. Surprise, we have a gift for you. Okay. All right, so what is this? This is just like a little magazine that they included. It says Grove Collaborative Holiday 2018. So that is nice. And there is that. All right, so the first one was another 6-pack of their paper towels. This is the Seedling by Grove. It just came out within the last few months. And I think it was my last video. It may not have been my last, it may have been the one before. But I got these, and you guys, these paper towels are amazing. And you know, I love that it says 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane, and then for every 50 rolls purchased, 1 tree is planted. So I just really love it, and I think it's been at least a month, y'all, and I think I still have 1 or 2 paper towels left. So the 6, they last. They're really good. The other repeater is the I have that upside down. Is the Seedling toilet paper. Again, still have some. This toilet paper is great. So paper towels and toilet paper. But the 2 new items that I'm super excited about are falling. And that's what I get for trying to do this here in my normal area with such a big box. Okay, we'll move that. And all right, guys, sorry about that. So the next 2 items, take this off because, like I said, they do tape everything so it doesn't leak. I am very happy to have. It is from Mrs. Myers. This is their, get this off. It's the dish soap. I need to learn how to talk, apparently. But their holiday scents released. So it says obviously limited edition seasonal scent. And it is peppermint, y'all. Peppermint. if you've seen any of the videos I have done about essential oils, you know that peppermint is my favorite. Even with my Bath and Body Works haul video recently, I got some of their twisted peppermint, you know, body spray and like the plug-ins. I just love the smell of peppermint. So I was very, very happy about this. And then also I got it in the multi-surface spray. So it's gonna be smelling all pepperminty in my house. And peppermint really is, oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. Peppermint really is, for me anyway, a scent that could be used year round because I just love the smell of peppermint. But especially at Christmas time, you know, and that's where we're at. We're past Thanksgiving. We're, you know, it's almost, you know, yay for Christmas time. So I was like, yes, so now I can clean and make my house smell like Christmas even more. So that was my little Grove unboxing. So some toilet paper, paper towels, some dish soap, and multi-surface cleaner. But those two are peppermint scented. Like I said, they are the limited limited edition seasonal scents. And I just love it. I love Grove. I know I've done quite a few unboxings from Grove. I'm telling you guys, if you have not tried Grove, you absolutely have to. I will put a link down below, and that link will actually, if you spend $20, you will receive a 5-piece gift for free, and the 5-piece gift is worth over, I think, $30 or $35. So, and it I think is a variety of the Mrs. Meyer's, the different products. So you have to try Grove. They're, you know, not chemical laden cleaning products. They do have beauty items. You know, they have quite a few different things. So it's not just cleaning. So, but as far as the cleaning stuff goes, I love it. So, like I said, I will leave a link down below, and that will get you, with a $20 order, a free 5-piece gift set. And I guess that's pretty much it, y'all. This is just a quick, short, hey, this is what we got. I was really just mainly for the peppermint scent, because I love peppermint. And it's a holiday, you know, limited edition scent. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the little quick short video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video and leave a comment. And if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. Usually my videos are a little bit longer and more than just cleaning products. But again, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.